Hi there, this is the first video of Unomap showcasing one of its feature, UnoSign, which is a security enhanced eSignature features that is built as a service module on top of Unomap Digital Identity Platform. And today we're going to show you how UnoSign work on both the web version of Unomap and also the mobile version of or mobile application of Unomap. So on the left, it's the web version on the browser of Unomap, and on the right, it is the screen of my mobile device, which will be showing the app interface. So let us just go through the whole process of using UnoSign. So first, you have to log in to the web version of Unomap, either through a standard password things login, or you can actually choose login using QR code. So yep, okay, I should have been signed in, but let's wait for a while. And here we are, we have signed in on the web, and as you can see on the services section, UnoSign is here. So to start using UnoSign, you first have to upload your signature. So what you do is you actually upload a file, a picture of your signature. So it can be of JPEG format, PNG format, because whatever file you upload, it's going to be turned into a PNG file with the transparent background, and on what's left visible will be your signature. So it's something like this. So let's say I'm going to upload this file. As my signature, yeah, it takes some time to upload the file. Alright, I'm successfully uploaded. So you can see the background is being removed. So here my signature is being uploaded. Now, for your information, signature is mandatory for you to start using UnoSign, while initial is optional. So in the case that we wanted to start using it, we go to the document, we create new document. So what we do here is we first have to give the document name, let's say testing 1 2 3. And we get to choose the type of the document. Let's say it is a notice, and issue date is the date which the document is being uploaded here, which is today, and deadline will be the date, the last date of which the signature is able to be embedded or put up to the document. So let's say we make it tomorrow. So here we upload the file. Well, it's on PDF that is allowed at the moment. Yeah, let's do it. So let's say I'm gonna upload this file, and let's go next. So here you can actually see an option here on whether you are going to self-sign the document, meaning if this document is meant to be signed by you yourself as well, then you might want to choose yes. But if it's only to be signed by a designated signatory, then probably no. So let's do it in a way where I myself is going to sign on this document. So I'll also have to add a signatory. Let's say I put up another account of mine as the receiving party that is going to sign on this document. And email is optional because the main identifier is actually a mobile number. So let's click next. And you can actually see the document is being previewed here. All the pages will be shown here. This PDF is only one page, so you can only see one page here. And what we do now here is at this stage we are going to set the signing field. So we click on this and we choose this will be me myself, where I'm meaning as the owner of this document, I get to decide where the signature of signatory is going to be placed in the document. So if let's say I myself is going to sign here, and I'm adding another field which is the signatory, which is also me myself in this demo case. So let's make the field like this, and you can actually see there's one more so-called QR verification code. Now this is actually a code which, being scanned by Unomap app, is going to show you the information of signing on this document, which is something like an audit trail, or like an audit record of the document about who signed this document at when and what time. So yeah, but it is optional. It is optional anyway. So let's move on. So now we are one step closer to finishing, or rather sending the document out to our recipient. So here, this particular QR code is only scannable by me myself, which is the document creator. So I have to use my app to actually scan this QR code. Oops, let us do it again. Okay, again. Yep. So we have signed. I've self-signed the document. Yes. So the document is successfully signed and submitted, meaning it is sent to the recipient for the recipient to sign. So let us now go to the account of the recipient. So let's say I am going to open an incognito window, and I am going to log in to the recipient account. Well, let me just use also the QR login. So on the mobile, I actually have to sign into this recipient account. So let me just sign in here first. Okay. Yep, we're signing on the mobile. Now we use QR sign in. Alright. So here we are in. So here as the recipient, like you can see the document, the one that we name as testing 123 is now inside the inbox of this recipient account. And what this person is going to do is this recipient is going to click on it. Well, bear in mind that as a recipient, for a first-time user, you basically will be prompted to add a signature as well. Because in this case, signatures has been uploaded in the way as how we have just did in the previous account. So now we just go ahead and sign the pending document, which is the document that we just received. Alright. It is loading. Yep, here is it. So to sign the document, I click on this icon. So you can see the signature of the sender's signature is already shown here, and it will actually show also how my signature is going to place on the document. So before I click next, I actually have to click here. Nah, this is the so-called verification QR code or the audit code, something like that. Then we click next. And yes, again, this code is only scannable by my account, the recipient account. Alright, done. So we're done. So the document is basically signed, and you can see that testing 123 was signed. And to view it, click on the button and the PDF will be loaded. That is it. So both signatures are being embedded, and the QR code is here for any Unomap user to scan. So this is the file being opened from the recipient account. So let's see what happened to the sender account. Okay, going to the home page, you basically can see there's notification. Let's read all of them. And the latest notification being this: document testing 123 has been signed by all the signatories. Yep, so basically you can see it on the document sign. And yes, testing 1 2 3 was successfully signed by all parties. And again, you can also view it and download the document here. So this is it. So now both the sender and the recipient will be able to download the document that is fully signed with also a QR audit code. So yeah, this is it. UnoSign function. So it is already live and available on the app is now available on App Store and Play Store, and the web version is also ready for you to utilize. So just feel free to download the app, create your account, and yeah, just use UnoSign as and when you need it. You are given free usage of it with given limited time. So I hope you enjoy seeing this PKI based eSignature features on Unomap. And yeah, that's about what UnoSign is able to do. And coming up next, we'll be having more and more interesting features as we move on, working together with more different identity providers and service providers, or even coming up with own services, our own services on Unomap Digital Identity Platform. So stay tuned, and we'll come back very soon. Thank you.